Finally, dumating na ang pinakaaabang kong package ngayong linggo. Okay, this is the PlayStation 5 Disc Edition. Yes, I am very lucky na nakakuha ko ng unit at Lazada. So yes, binilisan ko po yung pagpindot. And yes, nakakuha po ako ng unit. It's officially available po sa Lazada. And laging walang stock. May second wave recently. Nakakuha tayo nung second wave and I got it for 27,990. Mayroon po tayong patunay na nakuha po natin. It is sealed right now. Nakikita niyo po dito. Sealed po yan. Ayan. Hopefully sealed nga siya. Kasi pag bato to, ay Diyos ko, hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Anyway, time to unbox this one. Actually, remove muna yung plastic and let's see ano ba nasa loob na ito. Para malaman natin, legit ba tong PS5 natin or hindi. Okay? Kailangan natin malaman kung legit o hindi. Laki yung box, guys. Sobrang laki ng box. Ayan. So, we finally got here, ladies and gentlemen, PlayStation 5. Okay, so meron pa tayong seal dito. So, pag bibili kayo, be sure na may seal pa kayo dito ng Sony. I'm not sure if you can see that one, but we got here the seal. Medyo natanggal na yan. Okay, medyo natanggal yata siya. Okay, may void sticker. Pero parang nakatanggal na. But let's see. Sana hindi po tayo na bato. Oh, ito na. Ito na, guys. Ito na ang inabangan natin lahat. Okay, first of all, quick start guide muna tayo. Ayan. Quick start guide. The safety guide. Of course. The local warranty certificate. Yes, we do got here the warranty. Of course, yung ating power, yung cable, yung cord natin. Okay, kailangan ko ng adapter for this one, unfortunately. Kasi ganito yung dulo niya. So, ganyan yung dulo niya. Kailangan ko na adapter for that. Okay. Medyo nafe-feel kong legit na to kasi we got here the controller, boys! The PS5 controller. And yes! Mas maganda yung feel niya compared dun sa previous na controller na meron tayo sa PS4. Okay, so we also got here yung ating HDMI cable. Medyo maiksi lang HDMI cable natin dito, unfortunately. So we're gonna use this cable later on, pero it's the HDMI. Medyo maiksi siya. We also got here the USB-C to USB-A natin na cable. Ayan, USB-C to USB-A cable. Ayan. So lagay ko muna to sa side lahat. Itatabi muna natin. So hindi ko muna siya makikita dito sa paningin ko. Alright. Okay, so we got here yung stand niya. Okay, so we can use the PS5 in horizontal or in vertical mode and we need this one. So this is actually yung kanyang stand. So para madali siyang may ilagay horizontally or vertically. And boy, oh boy, here we go. Oh my God, so heavy. It is so heavy, boys. Finally, the PS5 is here. Oh my God, it's so big. That's what she said. Whew! Ang laki niya, guys. Actually, malaki siya. Comparable siya sa PC ko dito sa likod. Ayan. So, hindi pa naman siya kasing laki ng ATX ko na PC. Pero gano'n siya kalaki. Okay? Nakikita nyo kung gaano siya kalaki. So big, so big. Alright, so sa unahan, we got here yung glossy na design dito. Okay, medyo may sticky thingy. This one is actually yung kanyang front. It's glossy, it's plastic, it's plastic over here. Ayan. And of course, we got here the USB-A port, a USB-C port, the eject button, and also the power button. So, nandito sa unahan yung button niya. And on this part is actually yung kanyang disc. Kung dito natin ilalagay yung disc natin, I have already the Spider-Man na game, yung Miles Morales, the latest one. And at the back, we got here, ayan, okay, what's this? We got here the Kensington lock, I believe, para hindi siya manakaw. We got here the two USB-A, which is, I believe, 3.0 sila because it's blue. We got here the LAN port, the HDMI, and of course the power one. So there's no DisplayPort cable in here, but that's expected. As long as we got HDMI, I'm already fine with it. So, you might be curious, paano ba to? Ano bang ginagawa nito? Actually, I'm curious with this one too. Paano ko ba siya ilalagay? Paano ko ba siya gagamitin? You can use that, I believe, ng ganito. Yan. Yan. So, parang nakaganon siya. Stand siya para hindi mabagsak yung PS5 natin. I am curious kung paano ko siya ilalagay. Ayan. So, nakaganto siya, guys. Naka-stand niya. Then, sa likod, ayan, naka-clip siya dito sa likod. So, hindi siya matataas, but it serves as the stand of the PS5. That is, oh my God, ang laki niya. Yun lang talaga sabi ko, medyo malaki yung PS5 talaga. Hindi ko pa siya alam kung saan ko ilalagay. So yeah, you've seen everything about the PS5. You've seen the logo over here, which is pretty cool. But how about the experience natin? Let's try a game. Saksak na natin. Alamin natin kung ano ba meron dito para sa atin sa PlayStation 5. So right now, we're playing Astro's Playroom on the PlayStation 5. But before that, I want to show you the controller. So the controller is very different from the previous generation, the PS4 and the PS3. This one comes with a DualSense feature, which is basically more tactile yung pagka-feel natin dito. The vibration is really good. So, one of the features na meron tayo dito are these one. So, yung first one is the adaptive triggers. So, basically, pag ginamit natin adaptive triggers, meron na tayong parang pressure na pumipigil sa atin. So, whenever we're playing games like Call of Duty Cold War, pressing this one feels like pressing yung sa trigger ng ating barrel. So, for example, ito, I'm not sure if you can see that clearly. Ayan. So, kita nyo, hindi ko agad siya napipindot kasi meron siyang pressure. And it does feel like this one, yung nakikita nyo dito ngayon sa sa TV natin. So, may ganyan tayo na feel right now. So, that is for the triggers pa lang. We also got here the touchpad. Like, I'm not sure if you can hear that one, but it does feel like you're writing something on the touchpad. It comes with a vibration. The vibration is really good on this one. This is the DualSense that we're talking about dito sa ating controller. Of course, meron pa tayo dito. Meron din tayong motion sensor. So, whenever I'm moving this one, I can actually feel yung rumble dito. So, hindi siya yung parang vibration na buong controller. Whenever we're shaking this one, kunwari shaking tayo nandito, mas ramdam mo yung vibration na nandito compared dito. So, parang may laman siya sa loob ng controller and nandito yung laman niya. So, kung nagganto naman, nandito yung vibration niya. So, it's really cool that we got here a motion sensor like this one. And then, of course, the microphone. We got a microphone over this one. If may narinig kayo sound, it's not coming from the TV. It's actually coming from the speaker dito sa controller natin. We got here a speaker sa ating controller ng ating PS5. And now, we got the microphone. There we go. So yes, that is the microphone. Okay, so those are some of the things na meron tayo sa controller. And of course, if we're playing a game that is made for the PlayStation 5, some games actually takes advantage of the DualSense controller na meron tayo dito. For example, we're playing this one. Actually, nararamdaman ko yung every time na gumagalaw yung character natin dito. So yan. So, umalis tayo dun sa touchpad, ramdam ko siya. Every time na tumatalon ako, meron siyang vibration na mabilis. And para talaga tayong tumatapak. Ramdam mo na parang, okay, tumatapak talaga tayo sa glass. And nafe-feel mo siya because of the controller. So, it's really immersive. And I like the DualSense controller that we're getting in here. Now, we're back dito sa ating home screen na ating PlayStation 5. So, if you've used a PS4 before, if you're buying the PS5, probably naka-experience na kayo ng PS4. Malaking chance na may PS4 kayo before. What you can see right now is the home screen. The home screen does look familiar. Squares dito. Of course, meron tayong PlayStation Store. If you downloaded some games dito, lalabas naman to dito. Actually, some of the games are here in the game library. I've actually installed a lot of games on this one. Napuno ko na nga yung 825 gig ng PS5 natin. And we have a lot of games more na nandito lang. So nakikita nyo right now, I've subscribed to PlayStation Plus. That is why marami tayong laro na kasama dito ngayon sa PlayStation 5. Ayan, so nakikita nyo, installed. I got the Spider-Man, the remastered edition for the PS5. And of course, yung PS5 natin na game na naka-install dito right now is actually this one, Miles Morales. And I'm gonna show you the graphics and on. And makikita nyo kung kaano kabilis mag-load. So nakita nyo naman, kakabukas ko lang ng Miles Morales. And nag-load na siya right now. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa Sony Interactive of Presence. Thanks to the SSD of this one, mabilis na mag-load yung mga games natin dito sa ating PS5. Actually, napansin ko dito, even though naglalaro ko yung mga PS4 games, which I have a lot of PS4 games, nakita nyo kanina, mas mabilis na siya mag-load compared dun sa PS4 natin. Maybe because of the SSD pre-installed on this one. It's not just a normal SSD, it's a PCIe 4. I believe customized yung ginamit dito if tama yung pagkakatanda ko. That is why the speeds of this one is just really good. Okay, so we're using a 1080p TV right now. It's not a 4K TV, but we can actually choose yung ating, yeah, for example, save lang tayo, buksan natin yung game. So we go dito sa settings. We got here the graphics mode. So we can choose between the performance mode, which is 60 frames per second at 4K, or we can choose the fidelity, which provides a better graphics, probably a better ray tracing on this one at 4K with 30 frames per second. But for me, I would choose 60 frames per second on this one. And since nasa 1080p lang naman tayo, it wasn't, really that annoying na may ganun lang tayo. Actually, meron pa pala isa. The Performance RT or the Performance Ray Tracing. It adds to the ray tracing by adjusting the scene resolution, reflection quality, and pedestrian density. So, syempre, dun tayo sa may ray tracing because, ray tracing. Okay, so try lang natin mag-continue. Papakita ko na sa inyo yung graphics. I know the camera wouldn't do the justice dito sa PS5. But as you can see in here, this one is running on 60 frames per second. And yes, we do got here ray tracing. So, mapapansin nyo dito, mas maganda yung ilaw natin dito. Ayan, no? So, justice ng ray tracing. Yeah, sana. Though, hindi masyadong halata. Okay. So, if you have a PS5, I highly suggest that you get a 4K TV too to maximize yung graphics natin dito sa ating PS5. And yes, ayan, nakikita nyo hinahabol natin si Rhino. Distract ako, sinahabol natin si Rhino. And if you're wondering, actually, again, sinabi ko na kanina to, there are PS4 games that are installed on this one. So if you have a PS4 games na nasa bahay nyo and you want to replay it, like for example, you want to play Metal Gear Solid 5, The Phantom Pain, which is available on the PS4, you can still download it doon sa PlayStation Store if kasama siya sa PlayStation Store nyo. If you subscribe to PlayStation Plus, you can play this one game for free. I believe kasama pa siya right now. Pwede siya laruin dito. So, that's possible with the PS5. It's actually like having two consoles. Meron ko ng PS4 Pro and then the PS5. But the PS5 kasi kakaunti pa rin yung games right now. So, if you're gonna get the PS5, I highly suggest na medyo sulitin nyo yung PS4 nyo. Kasi there are some games na still available sa PS4. Hindi nyo naman kailangan mag PS5 to enjoy it. Kasi nga, available naman siya sa PS4. Why would you get it sa PS5, diba? But yeah, I believe wala pa yatang exclusive mismo or there are only a few na exclusive mismo sa PS5. But for me, pag naglalaro lang ako ng PS4 games, if you're planning on playing PS4 games lang din naman, PS4, since mahirap pa yung stocks ngayon. Pero, syempre, if you get lucky, syempre, mas maganda may PS5. So, yan. We're running Metal Gear Solid 5. So, accept lang tayo ng accept sa mga privacy settings and everything. I'm not sure if I have if I have a save file dito sa ating MGS5 dito sa ating PS5. But, okay. Let's try downloading this one. Okay, the content can't be found, unfortunately. So, let's see. No, we don't need to update it anymore. Kung ano lang available. So, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo that we're capable of running a PS4 game on the PS5. So, yan. I'm actually playing I'm actually playing a PS4 game right now on the PS5. So, kung wala kayong PS5, well, it's fine. At least, pwede pa rin kayo maglaro mga ganito. Okay, so, there are some games na hindi na naman talaga mag-i-improve yung kanilang graphics or performance. I believe one of them is this game. So, I'm not sure if we got here. I believe wala tayo ditong parang PS5 specific na performance mode. So, we're stuck with this one. It's 30 frames per second. But yeah, it's fine with me. I mean, as long as maganda yung takbo ng laro natin dito. And yeah. So yeah, I guess that's it dito sa ating short review ng ating PS5. There are a lot of games that are coming to the PS5, and of course, if you're getting a PS5, highly recommended get a PS Plus subscription, because without the PS Plus subscription, sayang yung PS5 nyo. Maraming libreng games. For example, we got here the PS Plus collection in where you can get these games. Ang dami na ito. Subscribe lang kayo. We got FF15, Fallout 4, another FF15, Days Gone, and of course, The Last of Us Remastered, Uncharted 4. These are the best games on the PS4. Wala nga Last of Us 2, unfortunately, but sana magkamero na Last of Us 2 para sa PS5. But yeah, and of course, meron tayong mga monthly games. This March, available yung Maquette. Maquette? What is Maquette? I don't know what that is. We got Final Fantasy VII Remake. We got the Destruction All-Stars. We got the PS4 game, the Knack 2. So, maraming games available. So, this one is still limited, of course, unfortunately, because of the pandemic. May shortage tayo nangyayari for the chips and the parts that are needed for the PS5. So, the PS5 is priced at $27,990 for the disc edition, the one that we got here. And I believe it's $23,990 for the digital edition. So be sure to get one sa official stores and resellers, yung official. Kasi if you're gonna get sa scalpers, you might get it at 40,000 pesos or 35,000, which is a lot. That's around 27, so that's around 7,000 pesos yung tubo nila. Tama ba? 27, 28. Yeah, mga ganon. So, something like that. But, you know why I'm getting dito, kasi if you support the scalpers, tinutulungan nyo lang din business sila, which doesn't have the price of the PS5. So, if you want one, it's available at, I believe ito sa mga sasabihin ko, naging available to last February sa Last Mall through Sony, Data Blitz, GameX, we got iTech, we got Gameline, and a lot more actually. Even Abenson, Henry's, and Memo Express, nagbenta sila neto, the PS5. So yeah, I suggest you get the PS5 pag available na sila sa stores. Again, sa fourth wave. So yes, that's it dito sa ating review ng PS5. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here in my YouTube channel. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again sa susunod na video.